Hey guys, this is Tim here with Ride Pro again. Got another cool bike for you. This is a 2015 Victory Gunner. You can see, pretty cool bike. Big air-cooled V-twin, air oil-cooled V-twin. American made by Victory. This bike's pretty much stock. Still cool, got a cool color on it. Low miles. This one has around 1,100 miles on it. This one is belt drive also. 6 speeds. 1,731 cc's, which makes this a 106 cubic inches. Bike is very clean, all stock bike. Got some cool looking wheels, disc brakes in the front and rear. It's a little windy out here, so if the wind noise and traffic noise is bad, forgive us. It's beautiful down here in Florida. We are Ride Pro here in Tampa, Florida. We do buy bikes nationally. If you have any questions about any bikes that we happen to have on our website or any videos that we see, please give us a call. Let us know. Gonna start this one up here so you can hear what she sounds like. She's got about 1,091 miles on her. Super low miles. Pretty quiet with the stock pipes. Put good tires on this one, ready to ride. Come visit us here in Florida, ride this thing home. Somebody having fun today. Cool bike. This one's close to 650 pounds dry. So it's pretty light for a big cruiser. Again guys, my name is Tim with Ride Pro. We buy bikes nationwide. If you have any questions, give us a call.